Good morning, class 8. So yesterday we discussed the key terms of this chapter number 13, sound. Today we are going to start with this chapter. As the name is showing, sound. Sound, it plays an important role in our life. It helps us to communicate with one another, as you all know. Okay? And we hear variety of sounds in our surroundings. Variety of sounds are there in our surroundings that you might have heard about it, like the sounds of instruments, sound of dhol, sound of sometimes the machines noise is there, vehicles, horns of vehicles, different sounds we used to hear in our surroundings. Okay, so the main question is how sound is produced, how it travels from one place to another. Like I'm speaking, you are able to hear. How that can be possible? How do we hear the sound? So all these questions we are going to study in this chapter, that how we are able to hear the sound. So different instruments are also there, children, which we play and they produces the different sound. Like you must have seen the different instruments like, okay, name few of the instruments.
Ma'am, sitar, tabla,
Sitar. Okay, first
harmonium.
of all, sitar, tabla. Sitar, tabla, and fluid. These all are different types of instruments. Let me see how they
मैम
are
गिटार
different from one another. सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं सितार और गिटार की. They have the strings. You must have seen that sitar and guitar have strings. So whenever we are plucking that string, the sound is produced. The vibrations are there and the sound is produced. So these kinds of instrument which are having the wires, which are having the string, they are known as string instrument. First type of instruments we are going to discuss is a string instrument like a violin, iktara, sitar, guitar. These all are the string instrument. Next, we are having this kind of instrument, that is a tabla. Tabla we have. तबला जो है, तबला में क्या है हमारे पास? इट इज हैविंग द स्किन. दिस इज द स्किन ऑफ द तबला which we use to play. We strike on tabla and the sound is produced. Means it has a stretched membrane. Stretched membrane it has, and it produces the sound when we play on it. So these are the skin instrument. They are known as a skin instrument. हमने किया है. This tabla is a skin instrument. ठीक है, तबला, ढोलक, मृदंगम, these all are the string instruments. ठीक है. And one another kind of instrument is there, that is a fluid, which is known as a wind instrument. Can you give me another example of wind instrument? Kindly switch on your cameras, children. Wind instrument like a fluid in which we have to that works on wind. Mouth organ. Have you seen the mouth organ? आपके घर में जो शंख, you know how the sound is produced in shank? That is again a wind instrument. It is empty from inside, but that it's shaped like this, it produces a sound. So when we blow air into it, it produces a sound. So these are the three types of instruments. First, I had told you the string instrument, second a skin instrument, and third is a wind instrument. So these are the three types of instrument that we used to see in our surrounding. These types of instruments are present. Next is let's perform few of the activities. First activity is 13.1 activity. Sound is produced by a vibrating body. If anything we are vibrating, like simplest example 13.1, we have taken a metal plate and you are striking it with a stick, it produces a sound. Or anything else, like if you have taken a plate or a spoon, you have taken a katori and spoon, and if you are striking it, it produces a sound. Okay, so means we can see the different vibrations. One more thing is there, take a rubber band and rubber band you have put a stretch, you have stretched a rubber band, and when you pluck that rubber band, vibrations are produced. Okay, that is the best example of the vibrations are produced. Even you can do this experiment. A metal dish, it's very interesting, children. You have taken a plate and put a water into it, or even a glass you can take. ठीक है, उसमें क्या हो रहा है, एंड इफ यू आर स्ट्राइकिंग इट विद द स्पून, इट इज प्रोड्यूसिंग अ sound as well as the water is showing the vibration. You can see the vibrations as shown in the figure 13.4. ये आप कर सकते हैं. Nothing you have to do. You have to take a water in a glass or a plate, strike it with a spoon. You can see the vibrations as the water is showing the vibrations. ठीक है. And iktara 13.4 activity. इक्तारा यू कैन मेक इट विद द नारियल, जो सूखा वाला नारियल होता है ना, ड्राई वाला ब्राउनिश, उसका देखो दैट हैज बीन यूज्ड, एंड अ स्टिक एंड अ स्ट्रिंग. वेरी सिंपलेस्ट वे टू मेक इक्तारा. दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूसेस द vibrations. Now see in table 13.1, musical instrument and vibrations, how they are produced. Veena, stretched string. Tabla, stretched membrane. Fluid, air column. So few more you can add, like sitar is there, guitar is there, that is a stretched string. Dholak, mridangam, उनकी stretched membrane होती है. And this is a ghatkam, ghatak. So, and manjira is also having a skin. So these are the commonly instruments which are used. Okay, and this is very interesting, children. You can take 5 or 6 glasses, and in these glasses you have to put the water in at the different levels. Like इसको आपने पूरा भर लिया, इसको कम 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 कम, like this. Level should be different in each of the glass, and when you strike it, it produces a different sound. Different sounds are produced by it. This is known as jal tarang. आप कर सकते हैं. Either you can take the steel glass or the glasses, कांच वाले glasses आप ले सकते हैं, और अगर नहीं glasses लेने तो आप कटोरी भी ले सकते हैं. ठीक है, बट मेजर क्या होना चाहिए, द वाटर शुड बी एट द डिफरेंट लेवल्स. सब में जो वाटर है वो डिफरेंट लेवल्स पे होना चाहिए. ओनली देन यू कैन हियर द डिफरेंट साउंड्स. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज sound produced by humans. Yes, Veronica, read this paragraph. How sound is produced by the humans.
Sound produced by humans.
But a voice is not there. Not able to hear.
Ma'am, voice box.
Yes, it is the voice box. How sound is produced. Yes, continue. What happened?
Speak loudly for a while or sing a song or buzz like a bee. Put your hand on your throat.
Shaurya, stop talking. Yes, Hasib, you can read. I'm not able to hear better. Voice is not clear.
13.2 Sound produced by humans. Speak loudly for a while or sing a song or buzz like a bee. Put your hand on your throat as shown in figure 13.8. Do you feel any vibrations? In humans, the sound is produced by the voice box or the larynx. Put your finger on the throat and find a hard
Bump.
that seems to move when you swallow. This part of the body is shown as the voice box. It is at the upper end of the windpipe. The vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. Figure 13.8.
Next, Harshit Singh.
Yes. When the lungs force air through the slit, The voice cords vibrate, producing sound muscle attached to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. When the vocal cords are tight and thin, the type of quality of voice is different.
Okay, beta. So this is how the sound is produced. I want each one of you to put your hand on the throat and produce a humming sound. Are you able to feel the vibrations? Put your hand on the throat. You must be
Yes,
feeling
ma'am.
something hard.
Yes, ma'am.
The hard is that portion is known as a voice box. Okay, that portion is known as a voice box. And how many vocal cords are there? If you are producing any sound and if you are speaking even, you can put your hand on a throat and you are able to feel the vibrations. We are having two vocal cords in such a way that there is a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. Okay, this is a diagram of a vocal cord, and there is a gap between these two vocal cords. Okay, this is for the passage of air, and when the air passes through it, the vocal cords vibrate and then it produces the sound. Sometimes you can produce a different kinds of sound. How that can be possible? That can be possible when the vocal cords are tight and thin. So different types of sound are produced. You used to produce different kinds of sound. Sometimes your voice is heavy, sometimes the voice is very thin. Okay, shrill is there. So that is possible only due to the vocal cords. So children, this is very, very important question, and this question is at the back exercise even. That how sound is produced in the humans. So you can start, you can write from this paragraph that how the sound is produced in the humans. Children, I had taken a small paper and folded, और जहां से ये आपका फोल्ड है, जहां से आपका ये पेपर दोनों तरफ से फोल्ड है, इसको कट कर लो थोड़ा सा, ये कट कर लो. Now we have to fold it. See as shown in the figure. Now open it. Now produces a sound. Able to produce the sound. I want each one of you to do, kindly unmute so that I can hear. Yes. So means in this way our vocal cords work. कैसे आवाज कैसे आ रही है? Because there is a gap between the vocal cords. There is a slit. See, there is a slit. That's why we are able to produce the sound. We are able to produce a sound. So in the same way, there is a gap between the two vocal cords which help us to speak or which help us to produce the sound. Okay, so this is the best examples that how you have done, how our vocal cords work. And rest of the activities you can also do, children. And kindly underline this paragraph. The vocal cord in men are about 20 mm long and in women about 5 mm shorter. Kindly underline this paragraph. आपको पता है the voice of children and female is shrill and of high pitch. और जो men की voice है that is deep. Harsh voice होती है, deep voice is there. So this is the reason behind, because the vocal cord is smaller in women, means 5 mm smaller बोला है ना, that is 15 mm की हो गई, and in men that is about 20 mm long. So I hope children today's concept is clear to you, everyone. So how the sound is produced by different vibrations, this we have done. Yes, beta. So you can show the Jal Tarang. Okay. So Hasib has set up the Jal Tarang. He has taken 4 glasses and the level of glasses,
मैम मेरे
water in
पास
the
भी है
glass is totally different. Now play. Hasib, play. एक बार quickly just play. फटाफट से इधर से फटाफट से उधर. Yes. Yes. Touch all the glasses. Do it again. Yes. So you can see everybody the difference between the voice that is known as a Jal Tarang. Everybody can make their own. Only the level of water should be different from one another. Yes. Yes, Sarthak, continue.
Ma'am.
Sarthak, beta, start from first one. Start with the first one. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now again continuously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First से start करो. Wonderful music we are able to hear. Really the Jal Tarang works. Good, beta, good. Okay, start. Yes. Continue, Shanwe. From first to, yes. Yes, yes, very good. Very good. So everybody has made the Jal Tarang. This is